Boneddigion a boneddigethau. Ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, I can.
Bore da, good morning.
Going to go to Cymru.
Rydym yn falch
Yeah,
eich
zoom in.
croesawu I seremoni a
Like that,
graddio
camera one.
Brifysgol
Hold that there.
Metropolitan
On the U,
Caerdydd
camera
ar
one.
gyfer myfyrwyr 2022, llongyfarchiadau. We are proud to welcome you to Cardiff Metropolitan University's graduation ceremonies for the class of 2022. You have made it. Just a couple of housekeeping points. Can you please make sure your mobile phone is on silent for the duration of the ceremony? We do not expect any fire alarms today, but should the unexpected happen, the staff of Wales Millennium Centre will escort you to the assembly points. We would ask that you remain in your seats until the conclusion of the ceremony and the stage party has processed out. Let's show our appreciation of all our students by applauding and cheering as the graduates process across the stage. A nice practice run there, well done. Could you all please be upstanding for the academic procession? Diolch yn fawr.
declare this Please be seated. Ladies and gentlemen, whereas the Board of Governors, on the first day of April 1996, resolved to appoint a president on the institution's becoming a college of the University of Wales, and whereas it resolved also to appoint the Lord Mayor of the City and County of Cardiff ex officio as the incumbent of that office, and whereas on the 7th day of July 2015, the Board of Governors resolved to establish the positions of Chancellor of the University and Pro-Chancellor and Honorary President of the University, and to appoint the Lord Mayor of the City and County of Cardiff ex officio as Pro-Chancellor and Honorary President. As Chancellor, I now invite the present Lord Mayor, Councillor Graham Hinchy, to be installed as Pro-Chancellor and Honorary President. Lord Mayor, you have heard the resolutions of the Board of Governors. Do you accept the nomination as Pro-Chancellor and Honorary President of Cardiff Metropolitan University?
I do.
I now require you to make a declaration of fidelity to Cardiff Metropolitan University.
I, Councillor Graham Hinchy, the Lord Mayor of the City and County of Cardiff, do solemnly and sincerely declare that I will, well and faithfully serve Cardiff Metropolitan University as its Pro-Chancellor and Honorary President, that I will studiously observe its laudable provisions, rights and liberties, so far as they be not repugnant to the laws and statutes of the realm, and that I will endeavour to encourage the realisation of this mission.
By virtue of my office as Chancellor of the University, I now install you, Lord Mayor, as Pro-Chancellor and Honorary President of Cardiff Metropolitan University. May the University prosper and develop with your support.
I now call upon the President and Vice-Chancellor of Cardiff Metropolitan University, Professor Cara Aitchison, to make the opening address.
Bore da, a chroeso cynesión in ceremony radio. Lord Mayor, Chancellor, colleagues, graduands, families and friends, it's our great pleasure to receive students from across Wales and the wider world here this week for our graduation ceremonies for the class of 2022. And we're delighted that our celebrations take place once again in a building that's come to symbolise Wales, our nation's culture, and now very much our hopes for the future. And this is a ceremonial occasion. It's evolved over the university's 157-year history. But it's also a celebratory occasion. And I encourage you, our graduands, to show your appreciation for your fellow students as they cross the stage by applauding the last as loudly as the first. And when you embarked on your student journey as long ago as 2018 or 2019, no one imagined that by the time we reached this day, we'd be coming to the end of a very long and testing global pandemic, and we'd now be witness to a war in Europe. And you've had the most challenging of journeys. Your time at university has not been all you imagined or wished for, and each of the last 3 years has been disrupted by COVID. And I know that over that time, you have at times felt disappointed, frustrated, and perhaps even lonely. But you're all here now because you've overcome those very significant challenges. You're here now because you've been successful. And you should be very proud of your efforts, your determination, and your resilience. In most cases, your success will have been supported by the teaching and guidance provided by many of my colleagues here on the platform today, and by the support and friendship of family and friends in the congregation. And we're enormously proud of what you've achieved in such difficult circumstances. And I know that your colleagues, friends, and families are too. So together, let's just take a moment for us to show our congratulations of you and for you to show your appreciation of everyone that's helped you along the way in achieving your successes that have enabled you to arrive at this point today. Congratulations. Diolch. And while the coronavirus pandemic has undoubtedly brought the worst of times, it's also shown the very best of Cardiff Met. You, our students, worked in accredited NHS laboratories undertaking PCR tests. You staffed test, trace and protect services. You supported parents with homeschooling, and you delivered sport, health and well-being activities to our schools and communities. Our staff responded quickly and effectively to develop and deliver online learning and student support. They created and donated PPE and testing equipment. They hosted Wales National Blood Donor Centre and a COVID testing centre on campus, and they managed accommodation and catering on campus for frontline workers, international students and care leaver students for whom Cardiff Met became home during the various lockdowns. And I'm very proud of the way our students and staff lived our values and responded as one community during the pandemic. You, our students from the School of Sport and Health Sciences, have demonstrated enormous resilience in your response to the pandemic, and you've delivered excellence in so many ways. Open Campus, our initiative to provide sport and physical activity opportunities to 10,000 children from 30 schools across Cardiff, won the successful School Years Award at the inaugural Purpose Coalition Levelling Up Universities Awards 2022. Staff and students from across the school are involved in the Cardiff Move More strategy, launched last month with the aim of making Cardiff the best city in the UK, renowned internationally for walking, cycling and physical activity. And this innovative collaboration between Cardiff Council, Cardiff and Vale Health Board, Public Health Wales and Cardiff Metropolitan University will benefit health and well-being of our community, whilst also offering staff and students research opportunities and work placements. The school launched a partnership between Cardiff Metropolitan University and Bristol Speech and Language Therapy Research Unit to develop research, courses and placement opportunities designed to improve the care and management of people with speech, language, communication, audiology and swallowing disorders. And in our sports area, the Cardiff Met Sport TV was nominated for the British Universities and Colleges Digital Engagement Award 2022, produced, directed and presented by students from the MSc in Sport Broadcast degree programme. The channel's tagline is "Made by students, played by students," and its remit, which completed very successfully this year, is to create regular, engaging, multi-platform content showcasing our Bucks sport teams and athletes every week, and we frequently had over 4,000 people viewing our sports matches. Hannah Breyer, who graduates today with a distinction in MSc Sports Psychology, became the fastest Welsh woman of all time after running a personal best in her women's 100 metres heat at the UK Athletics Championships in Manchester last month. BSc Sport Management students Alice Gregory and Niamh Westgarth were 2 of 3 shortlisted students from across the UK invited to present their work at the annual Bucks conference earlier this month. And Jamie Nash, a PhD student, received the prestigious Best Collaborative Scott Murphy Award for his research into cold storage of platelets. This Best Collaborative is an international research organisation developing products and practices in transfusion medicine and cellular therapies for donors and patients. So you're about to become part of the Cardiff Met alumni, and we want you to feel proud of your university, a university that has grown, diversified, and improved significantly since you joined just a few years ago. Our success is evidenced by the awards of the Times and the Sunday Times Welsh University of the Year 2021 and the Times Higher Education UK and Ireland University of the Year 2021. Our School of Technologies, launched in 2018, now has over 1,000 students in new accommodation on the Llandaf campus. Our Global Academies, launched in 2020 and delivering cutting-edge research and innovation, work across the areas of health and human performance, human-centred design, and food science, safety, and security. Our income has grown from approximately 100 million when you joined to a forecast just short of 160 million next year, making us the most financially sustainable university in Wales. And we'll use that financial success to invest around 150 million in our campuses over the next 8 years, ensuring our whole university achieves net zero at the earliest opportunity. And we are committed to supporting future generations of students and to supporting you as alumni through ongoing careers support and financial support for postgraduate study. We're also committed to our international agenda, and Cardiff Met now offers degrees to over 11,500 students each year in 17 partner colleges in 15 countries around the world. And as a designated University of Sanctuary, hosting academics and students who've been displaced by war and conflict, we'll continue to support those from Afghanistan, from Ukraine, and other countries around the globe. We've recently twinned with Skowheroda National Pedagogic University in Kharkiv in Ukraine, and we're providing support and access to learning resources and research opportunities to ensure that students and staff in Ukraine can continue with their education even though their university is in a war zone and has suffered missile attacks. And finally, some good news. Almost 40 students, staff and alumni of Cardiff Met will be representing Team Wales in 11 sports at the Commonwealth Games in Birmingham, which start next week. And this week, over 5,000 students from the class of 2022 and from over 100 countries will graduate with degrees from Cardiff Metropolitan University. And I'd like to read that full list of countries, but let me just say it starts with Afghanistan, it ends with Zimbabwe, it includes Ukraine and Russia. And together, all our students and graduates seek to make a difference to peace, prosperity, and social justice in Wales, the UK, and all around the world. And education is our soft power around the globe. Education is our catalyst for economic prosperity, for social mobility, and for cultural cohesion. And as graduates of Cardiff Met, I ask that you become our catalysts for change, that you celebrate our university's values of creativity, diversity, freedom, and innovation, and you live our behaviours of leadership, trust, courage, and accountability. And your university's motto is, "The most valuable possession is knowledge." As graduates, you now have that valuable possession. So as you make your way in the world as our change makers and peace builders in our communities and all around the globe, your journeys will no doubt continue to encounter challenges along the way. But I would ask that you please remember you're one of the class of 2022, the class that overcame some of the most challenging moments in the most difficult of times. You have the knowledge, the skills, the experience to achieve your ambitions and to support others that now follow in your footsteps. My colleagues and I are extremely proud of every one of you and the way that you've navigated this most challenging of journeys. Please be proud of yourself and all that you've achieved and enjoy this great day of ceremony and celebration. Diolch yn fawr iawn.
I now call upon Professor Katie Thurloway, Dean of the Cardiff School of Sport and Health Sciences, to announce the graduating students.
Lord Mayor, President and Vice-Chancellor, I present to you students who have been awarded within the Cardiff School of Sport and Health Sciences. Programme Director Rachel Lord will announce the students who have been awarded Bachelor of Science in Sport and Exercise Science.
Daryush Ahmed. Azim Arshad. Toby Atherton. Claire Rosemary Bickle. Christopher Clyde Biddulph. Mally Bird. Ewan Bowden. Harrison Button. Frederica Casbury Pearson. George Clark. William Collard. Daniel Jordan Collins. The recipient of the Programme Medal for Sport and Exercise Science and joint recipient of the Eric Evans Memorial Award for Best Academic Performance on Sport Programmes, Lewis Coward. Toby Cox. Liam Cregan. Shauna Dando. Harry Davis. Harry Dial. Catherine Leithlan Ellis Baker. Alexander James Evans. Lauren Filer. James Fitzgerald. Robert Zenon Alistair Forziak. Jack William Frederick Freeman. Candice Galloway. Aidan Giles. Samuel Lewis Goodchild. Callum Griffiths. Mitchell Hadaway. Harry Halsey. Max Harrington. Kai Harris. Okay. Benedict Arthur Hart. Jack Hartley. Benjamin Hawkswell. Ben Hawkes. Thomas Holly. Lauren Hoare. Bethan Howells. John Owain Hughes. Thomas Ives. Simon Jackson. Rhys James. Anna Johansson. Edwin Jones. Jacob Jordan. Jonathan Kelly. Louisa Kirpner. Ethan Langston Justice. Jessica Leake. Theo Leung. Finn Lewis Gale. Jade Littlechild. Ethan Alfred Percival Maltby. Matthew David Lloyd Marley. Ellie Matthews Sherrington. Arthur Ivan McCann. Matt MacLeod. Natalie Moore. Dewi Morgan. Jack Morgan. Gwen Morris. Coral Morris. Antonios Leonidis Moutzoris. Toby Benjamin Mycock. Samuel Nash. Harry Ochman. Jessica Oliver. Eli Onyewu. Gregory Orishaguna. Matthew John Parkhouse. Nicholas Peters. Amy Elizabeth Potter. Ethan Thomas Preddy. Matthew Pyman. Daniel Rabbit. Joel Ramft. Reese Reed. Jasmine Rees. Keris Marie Reynolds. Sam Richardson. Robbie Riddicks. Natalia Mia Roach. David James Robinson. Luke Rowlands. Aaron Royals. Oliver Ryan. Toby Frederick Sauter. Emma Jane Eva Sharp. Holly Shute. Reese Thomas William Smith. Nathaniel Stark. Hannah May Stevens. Fenella Stewart. Owen Philip Taylor. Emily Sarah Thomas. Joshua Thomas. Austin Thomas. Eleanor Titley. Ellie Rose Morton Tong. George Upton. Connor Vickery. Emma Wade. Isabel Watkins. Edward Webb. Megan Webber. Samuel James White. Jessica Wybird. Sarah Williams. Ross Williams. James Williamson. Joshua Adam Wilson.
Programme Director Paul Smith will announce the students who have been awarded Master of Science in Sport and Exercise Science Biomechanics.
Catherine Hardy. William Raymond. And for the programme MSc Sport and Exercise Science Specialist Pathway Physiology, Luke Craddock. Joseph Alfred Killick. Kaylee Thomas. Ellis Rees Walton Jones.
I now call upon galwa fawr Catrin Rowlands I nodi myfyrwyr sydd wedi derbyn gradd Bachelor mewn Gwyddoniaeth ar Anrhydedd mewn astudiaethau chwaraeon ac addysg gorfforol dwyieithog.
Griffith Eric Davis. Sean Davis. Mae'r myfyrwraig nesaf yn derbyn gwobr medal o'r rhaglen. The next student receives the Programme Medal Award, Lauren Harris. Stefan Rhys-Jones. Hannah Longdon. David Millard. Thomas Webb.
Programme Director Ellen Jones will announce the students who have been awarded Bachelor of Science in Sport, Physical Education and Health.
Molly Andrews. Kyla Mostyn. Charlotte Babb. Matthew Bray. Jessica Bull. Edward Charles. Daniel Curtis. Ruby Mayer Davis. Daniels. Mayer Davis. Gweno Davis. Logan Lloyd Dawkins. Daniel Deacon. Saffron Degg. Robbie Doherty. Megan Dunn. Jade Evans. Sahid Fahar. Emma Featherstone. Lois Fox. The recipient of the Programme Medal Award for BSc Sport, Physical Education and Health, Bethany Gardner. Jerry Lynn Grabham. Ellie Harris. Lucy Harrison. Chloe Harry. Henry George Hayat. Ben Horton. Madison Hughes. Molly Jones. Suhaila Jones. Taryn King. Macy Lee Lane. Sophie Licence Law. Henry Mollard. Scott Morgan. Ryan Nash. Leah Rebecca O'Sullivan. Harry John Ottaway. William Owen. Jessica Parker. Kane Parker. Daniel Deacon. William Perry. Josie Raphael. Lewis Ryan. Maisie Sandals. Dylan Shorthouse. Garen Standings. Jack Taylor. Saffron Twite. Kelly Vinicombe. Chloe Wallen. Yestin Williams. Luke Wilson. Benjamin Winwood. Theo Walden. And announcing the BSc Sport, Physical Education and Health Dance. Sophie Cheeseman. Kelsey Ann Jones. Jessica Levac. Luca Moore. Abby Phelps. Announcing the Dilys Prize Award, Maisie Wakefield.
Dr. John Radner will announce a student being awarded Doctor of Philosophy.
Nicole's PhD thesis examined how growth, maturation and training can influence drop jump performance in boys. Following 2 thorough literature reviews to help strengthen the rationale for the studies, this piece of work established the differences in drop jump performance in various maturity groups before assessing boys' response to training with a 12-week and a 6-month resistance training intervention. As with any student over the last 3 years, Nicole has faced significant challenges outside of his control to complete his PhD. He has shown incredible adaptability and determination to complete this PhD and produce a comprehensive body of work with some of the materials being published. One of his examiners mentioned to me that it is one of the best written theses that he has ever read, and considering it was in Nicole's second language, this is quite impressive. Presenting Nicole with this is even more special for me because I supervised Nicole's undergrad dissertation. Therefore, for a thesis entitled The Interaction of Resistance Training and Maturation on Drop Jump Kinetics in Young Boys, and the award of Doctor of Philosophy, Nicole Kumar.
Programme Director Andy Lane will announce the students being awarded Bachelor of Science in Sport Coaching.
George Applin.
Well done, George. Congratulations.
Jordan Barrow. Miles Beard. Samuel Brown. Patrick Carr. Harry Wilson Palmer. Seb Coles. James Doble. Hannah May Drinkwater James. Corin Dummett. Lewis Durston. Charlie Dyke. Billy Evans. Rachel Fenney. Bethan Forrester. Charles Gordon Colbrook. Matthew Green. Taylor Harrower. Gutto Hughes. Bobby Jenkin. Keris Louise Jones. Adam Jones. Shenkin Jones. Ethan Jones. Gwenyn Mayer Lewis. Right. Callum Looker. Daniel Mason. Serin McQueen Oliver. Rory Meredith. Kyle Nichols. Antonis Ustagianakis. Hannah Parker. Ben Pearce. Ria Pedlingham. James Prosser. Aston Rose. Keris Stood. Thomas Thorpe. Daisy Tudball. Alan Van Vogt. Oliver Weed. Callum Williams. And representing the Willett family on behalf of Alfie Willett, Mrs. Willett.
Dr. Kevin Morgan will announce the student being awarded Doctor of Philosophy.
The aim of Jose's PhD thesis was to implement a teaching games for understanding approach with the Women's National League One volleyball team to improve his coaching and the players' game understanding and performance. To achieve this, he adopted an action research methodology involving progressive cycles of planning, action and reflection over the duration of a full 8-month season. The findings revealed some difficult challenges for Jose, such as improving reflection, controlling emotions, and the loneliness of first-person action research. But overall, the approach had a very positive impact on his coaching and on the players' game understanding and performance over the duration of the season. For a thesis titled A Critical Application of the Teaching Games to Understanding approach in the coaching context, an action research study, and the award of Doctor of Philosophy, Jose Castro.
Oliver joined us from California and has been a reliable and helpful year group representative for the past 3 years on the Staff Student Committee. He's been a house warden at the Kincoid campus, and the accommodation team have testified, and I'm sure we can all imagine how much support Oliver provided to students through the COVID lockdowns. In addition to these busy roles, Oliver has also been the Vice President of Engagement as part of the Enactus Cardiff Met. His role has included recruitment of new members, conducting interviews for new roles, and working with business coaches from companies such as Enterprise Rent-A-Car, Amazon and Ford. He has supported the projects of Enactus Cardiff Met, namely Heroes Haven, a project to provide learning experiences for youths in disadvantaged communities, and Met Zero, encouraging sustainable food growth and consumption. Oliver has also taken a role with Invictus and has worked with peers and developed this fantastic project within Cardiff Met. I'm so delighted that Oliver crossed the Atlantic to study with us, and his commitment to the programme and his own personal and professional development of the past 3 years is a credit to him. Congratulations, Oliver, recipient of the Dean's Award for 2022. Programme Director Sophia Santos will announce the students being awarded Master of Science in Sport Coaching and Pedagogy.
Rhys Malcolm. Redian Morgan. William James Henry Powell. Shan Elizabeth Wilcock.
Programme Director Lucy Kember will announce the students being awarded Bachelor of Science in Sport Conditioning, Rehabilitation and Massage.
Our first student is the winner of the Eric Thomas Award for the Best Dissertation on Sport Programme. He is also the joint winner of the Eric Evans Award for the Best Academic Performance on a Sport Programme. And finally, the joint winner of the Mike Wadsworth Award for the Best Academic Performance on a Sport Conditioning, Rehabilitation and Massage degree. Craig Atkins. Nathan Awad. Ashley Ann Barnacle. Jasmine Lee Berry. Finn Christopher Bewley Taylor. Robin Booker. Themistocles Remy Bauer. Hector Bright. Amy Bunt. This next student is the joint winner of the Eric Evans Award for the Best Academic Performance on a Sport Programme. She is also the joint winner of the Mike Wadsworth Programme Award Medal for the Best Academic Performance on Sport Conditioning, Rehabilitation and Massage. Amber Cook. Nicole Cooper. Neo Coxon. Rosie May Cross. Zanita Dudinska. Bethany Dunstan. Lily Edwards. Macy Edwards. Stefan Owen Evans. Robert Feiss. Rachel Flambard. Lewis Franklin. Philippa Garland. Samuel Gibbs. Oliver Glass. Lewis Benjamin Gray. Sarah Michelle Hames. Hayley Harper. Matthew Harris. Ben Hawkes. Luke Hicks. George Hill. Oliver Howard. Sean Hudson. Deo Hughes. Benjamin David Jones. Chloe Marie Jones. Lily Jones. Bethany Jones. Chloe Leake. Joshua Clement Leonard. Chloe Lewis. Andrew Locke. Eric Christian Luxka. Daniel Malo. Benedict Maunda. Jacob Aaron Morman. William Francis Morgan. Cameron Morgan. Alex George Mosley. Jamie Moss. James Mundy. Georgia Alton. Harrison Price. Raphael Regney. Callum Richards. Lily Carwyn Richardson. Sian Eleanor Rowlands. Maya Scriven. Ella Shawley. Molly Olivia Smith. Megan Louise Smith. Zara Staples. Amy Stuckey. Fionn Thomas. Caitlin Vincent. Jasmine Walker. Louis Terence Warren. Ryan Watkins. Frederick Webb. Ellie Willits. Adam Daniel Young.
Programme Director Adeline Miles will announce the students being awarded with Master of Science in Sport Rehabilitation.
Lily Antcliffe. Charles Gill. Constance Pollard. Daniel Rawlins. Oliver Roger. Piero Sidoli.
Programme Director Jeremy Moody will announce the students being awarded Master of Science in Strength and Conditioning.
Stephen Barnes. Oshan Edwards. Keenan Napper. Christopher Offley. Benedict Timson. Harrison Stevens.
Programme Director Elizabeth Lewis will announce the students being awarded Bachelor of Science in Sport Management.
Raphael Andika. Oliver Bailey. Nairi Barnes. Ewan Begg. Harry Chapman. Harrison Joshua Clayton. Evan Edward Davis. Owen Donald. Megan Drawrant. Ash Mandavira Doob. Edward Farrantworth. Jack Richard John Filer. Alice Gregory. Eleanor Hulson Clark. Hamish Hurst. Ryan Lewis Genus. Louis William Jones. William Joseph Mellowship. Reeve Charlie Messenger. Recipient of the Programme Award for the BSc Honours in Sport Management, Charlotte Monk. Thomas Jack Oxland. Emily Parker. Oliver Potts. Ellie Powell. Oliver Scott Rocket. Jessica Salter. Joseph Slack. Savannah Rose Sullivan. Kian James Ethan Thacker. Jack Tudor Webley. Kieran Wad. Neve Westgarth. Henry Williams. Joanne Williams. Recipient of the MSc Sport Management and Leadership, Abigail Dix. Katie Evans. Alina Frieneman. Chike Shazman Johnson. Neely. Yana Pekaina. Ed Randall. Leonard Hegan Rothman. Jodie Ann Williams.
Programme Director Adam Cullinane will announce the students being awarded Bachelor of Science in Sport Performance Analysis.
Harvey James Amy. Archie Anderson. Jonathan Averston. Evan Bales. Emily Clark Krangle. Reese Clark. Harrison Croker. Samuel Dover. Toby Garish. The following student is the Programme Medal Award winner for the BSc in Sport Performance Analysis, Abigail Godsaw. Jack Greenow Langford. Charles Hargrove. Will Hellerman. Brooklyn Hicks Williams. Max James Hines. Oliver Samuel Jenkins. Stephen Ryan Jones. Jacob Jones. Riley Christian Jones. Aaron Knight. Adam Light. Caitlin Meredith. Arian Michael Morgan. Jack Neal. Oliver Powell. Caleb Mark Philpott. Jamie Luca Rittiker Wright. Maximilian Robertson. Elliot Salt. Charles Frederick Louis Scott. Billy Stephen Smallwood. Alexander Tate. Oscar Brian Taylor. Jack Taylor. Reese Lewis Thomas. Daniel Reese Thomas. Daniel Tozer. Benjamin Walker. Jack Paul Walker. George Watkins.
Programme Director Peter O'Donoghue will announce the students being awarded Master of Science in Sport Performance Analysis Analytics.
Junyuan Ding. Aidan Fitzgerald. Alex Goddard. Yari Jonas Colt. Yash Maminka Marilena Plank. Gifavaman Sundararajan. Isabel Danielle Elizabeth Ward.
Programme Director Lucy Holmes will announce the students being awarded Master of Science in Professional Practice with the Pathway Sports Performance Analysis.
Jake Michael Allman. Saffron Alexis Ann Beckley. Jack Hall Martinez. Alex Jenkins. Sam Jones. Thomas Anthony Mitchell. Kahal Noon. Bradley Pierce.
Programme Director George Jennings will announce the students being awarded Masters of Art in Sociology and Ethics of Sport.
Rachel Isaac. Joseph Thomas. Hannah Walsh.
Programme Director Michael Hughes will announce the students being awarded Master of Science in Sport and Exercise Medicine.
Nia Mairead Spencer Haswell. Daniel Phillips. Rodri Wilmont.
Programme Director Joe Towns will announce the students being awarded Master of Science in Sport Broadcast.
Oliver Hampson. Ethan Harris. Jordan Jones. Gabriella Jukes. Max Maybe. Darcy Catherine Morris. Thomas John Pritchard. Ali Silk. Jack Tilson.
Programme Director Michael Mellick will announce the students being awarded Master of Science in Sport Psychology.
Grace Blowers. Hannah Breyer. India Davies. Ben Drew. Josh Goldman. Amy Hall. Lewis Jones. Michael Kendall. Ruth May. Catherine Payne. Kyra Elizabeth Quarterly. Jack Weymouth. Isabel Whiteley.
Would all the students from Cardiff School of Sport and Health Sciences please stand? President and Vice-Chancellor, I call upon you to admit these graduands.
By the authority vested in me by Cardiff Metropolitan University, I admit you to your various awards as indicated in the programme and to all the privileges of those awards. Congratulations, Class of 2022.
Many, many congratulations to you all. Graduates, please be seated. I now call upon the Chancellor to make his final address.
Ladies and gentlemen, and specifically the graduating class of 2022, congratulations on your success. What you have achieved during a particularly difficult time is exceptional. The staff and the governing body of the university are immensely proud of you and of your achievements. You are now alumni of and ambassadors for Cardiff Metropolitan University. As a graduate, you are part of the growing community of Cardiff Met alumni around the world, some 215,000 graduates in all. You are starting a new chapter as a Cardiff Met graduate. The university will always be here to support you, and we want you to continue to make a success of your life
The university offers practical and individual advice on employability and careers to all our graduates, so please do ask if you require any advice or support. We also offer financial support by discounted fees to those progressing to master's level programs within the university. So please keep in touch, allow us to continue to help you, and let us know about all your successes. We know that you will go on to achieve great things in your lives. You, the graduating class of 2022, have acquired an education and a set of professional skills underpinned by values that will enable you to touch the lives of others in your professions and careers as global citizens and with your friends and family. You have the power to do much good with the education you've gained at Cardiff Met and with all you've learned about how to live and work with others by using your talents to help bring peace and prosperity to the world and to bridge its many divisions. In doing so, you will inevitably face new challenges. You have already overcome many such challenges, but there will be a constant need for continuous further development and growth so you can reach your full potential at all stages of your life. The university will always be here to help you become the very best you possibly can. On behalf of us all at the university, we wish you every success for your future as a Cardiff Met graduate. Thank you. Diolch yn fawr.
Ladies and gentlemen, and you, class of 2022 graduates, boneddigion a boneddigethau a chi, graddedigion 2022. We hope that this day was worth waiting for and that you have all enjoyed this graduation ceremony. Do continue to celebrate throughout the day and have a safe journey home. Please, could you all stand and remain standing until the platform party has left the auditorium. I call upon the Chancellor to formally close this ceremony.
Ladies and gentlemen, I declare this congregation closed. Congratulations.